Baby steps to wholesaling real estate. Baby steps to wholesaling real estate. The wholesaling course that I have talked about for weeks or months or wherever, it is finally complete, guys. Finally complete. We're finally here. So, Baby Steps to Wholesaling Real Estate is a total of 13 steps. And it is a journey that I take you on that shows you all step by step how to wholesale real estate. What wholesaling is, how to do it, how to find motivated sellers. I have 6 ways that I've talked about and how to find motivated sellers, with an additional 20 different ways in the resource guide. I have, let me see, I have in there what tools to use to go ahead and find these motivated sellers. Different marketing pieces that you can go ahead and find motivated sellers. Bandit signs to go ahead and find these motivated sellers. Negotiation. Different things. Closing. Assignment contract. I'm going to give you all a little tip. Most wholesalers that don't understand wholesaling, this is the one thing, this is the one tip I'm going to give you all, and how you make money. Yes, you make money. You make money 2 ways. So one of the ways you go ahead and you make money is through negotiating a great price with the owner of that property. All right? Number 1. However, that does not happen unless you have a cash buyer who's willing to assign your contract. So you need 2 things. You not only need a great price, you need a real cash buyer, right? Show you how to get that. I show you, well, obviously, one of the things I give away is the thing I've already talked about, which is the Facebook skip tracing method. Seller, and I did it in the other one. It's a questionnaire. Pretty powerful. Many of you don't know what to say to the seller when you get them on the phone. Just read it. Best tip I can give you. Just read it, and I give you what to read and what to do, how to do it. Let me see. There is an intro video that gives you an overview of everything that is involved in the course. Course is a little over an hour long, and so I've broken it up into different modules. This time, this particular course is a PowerPoint presentation. And it's actually, to tell you the truth, when you look at it, it's an entertaining PowerPoint presentation that will keep your attention, allowing you all to have fun. My advice to you all is take one module at a time. Go to Walmart and get yourself a notepad or something for like 50 cents or 75 cents or whatever, and take notes. Take notes. Obviously, I have a purchase agreement in there, assignment agreement in there. I have a big thing, how to go about choosing the right kind of title company or closing agent. That oftentimes, even as agents, even as real estate agents, that within itself can make or break a deal. Choosing the wrong. There are some title companies that are just not the good fit. Not a good fit for allowing you to go ahead and close that deal. I remember being an agent in California, and you got some title and escrow companies that were not the most solid. And so for that reason, you have a lot of brokerages that have their own in-house escrow. Some of them may even have their own title. I don't know that, but I know a lot of them have their own in-house escrow to handle all the documentation, so they have control. they could push that paper as quickly as possible and cater to your, to these little details to allow the sale to go ahead and close quickly. Understanding what an assignment is, guys. I break that down. Many investors don't know that you need, in wholesaling, you need 2 contracts, right? Or 2 agreements. I go over that. So, baby steps to wholesaling, guys, is if you all look at the body of work that is on YouTube, and the things that I talk about, many of them are experiences that I've had in terms of a aspect of wholesaling real estate. So, yeah, I think you all will enjoy yourselves. Once you go ahead, you get the course. The one thing that I would say is if you do find value in that course, which I know you will, share it, share the link. I wouldn't say share the course, but share the link. Share the link that you all have received it from. Share the video. Share this video. One of the things I'm going to encourage all of you that are interested in it is join the House Flipping Family Facebook group. Join the House Flipping Family Facebook group. Okay. I don't know if someone goes ahead and either sells a course or teaches a course or whatever it is. I don't know how many people are also offering over 7,000 people where when you go ahead, you go through some things, when you go through baby steps to wholesaling and you get caught up with something, where you can go ahead and pose a question. You can pose a question and you got thousands of people, hundreds, thousands of people that are there to help. Thousands of people that will help you to evaluate a deal, including myself. Thousands of people that it's like a community of individuals that helps each other. And I think I told you this before. I don't create anything unless someone asks me. So if I get at least 10 to 15 people that ask me to create a course, a product, whatever that is, I will create that. Next, I don't know what's next. I'm getting contacted by a lot of agents, and I think one of the things that came to mind was teaching agents how to wholesale real estate. Broker approved wholesaling for real estate agents. How about that? And I'll talk to their brokers before I do it, right? If you all think about this, if you all as real estate agents could wholesale real estate, and I can teach you how to do that honestly and ethically without losing your license, all of you would listen to me. I can teach you how to do that. Okay. So when you guys getting back to this course, you guys go ahead and go through it. I would say enjoy it and learn from it, and most of all, make money. You can make money. This is the thing I'm going to tell you. This course rests not just on the educational aspect of it, which is pretty much taken care of. It rests on your ability to be consistent. How consistent can you be? Okay. So, guys, baby steps to wholesaling is born. Link is in the description. Feel free. You all have a great day. Also, House Flipping Family Facebook group. The link will be in the description. My other course, Lincoln Property Taxes, description. That's it, guys. You all take care. Have a great day. And I'll see you all in the House Flipping Family Facebook group. This is Gerald. Take care.